Watery eyes, coughing, sneezing. Yep, it must be flu season. Here with how you can keep that flu bug at bay is medical expert Dr. Keri Peterson. So great to have you on the show this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So it's the worst time, it's a wonderful time of the year, but at the same time, it's the worst time to get the flu. You're dealing with those watery eyes, that coughing and sneezing. What is the number one thing we need to know to kind of keep that flu bug at bay?
Well, the most important thing that you should do is to wash your hands regularly. And as you mentioned, yes, this is cold and flu season. As a parent, I'd love to start with great remedies for little ones. Since there's no cure for colds and viruses, there are really some great devices that parents can really find useful. So the first thing is little ones do not really know how to blow their nose very well, and that mucus can travel to their chest. So there's a great device that's safe, it's hygienic, it's called the Nose Frida, and basically how it works is you put the tube against the child's nostril, and on the other end is a mouthpiece, and the parent can suck the mucus right out of the child's nose without them being even aware that it's there. So it's very non-invasive, and it works really, really well. And another thing that I found very, very handy when your child gets sick is, as a parent, I don't want to go in their room to wake them when they take their temperature at night. And there's a phenomenal device that works remotely. It's called Fever Frida. You put a patch in the child's armpit, and it connects to a Bluetooth monitor, which alerts your phone if the temperature goes above a certain number. So you don't have to wake up your child. It also connects to the iCloud, so you can check it out if you're at work as well. So these are devices that I have found come really, really in handy as a parent of a child.
Yeah, Dr. Peterson, you were speaking my language. These products are a dream for any parent. I was just dealing with a sick one-year-old, and taking their temperature is such a difficult time. So certainly a great product.
It really is.
Yeah. What else do you have for us?
Well, there is no cure for the common cold, so what I also do recommend to all of my patients, and which I use myself, is cold ease lozenges. At the very first sign of a cold, start sucking on them, and they'll reduce the duration of your cold by almost half. Now, they also have a multi-symptom relief, which will help with cold and flu symptoms, and now new this season they have a gummy, which tastes really, really good. And I mentioned washing hands, but if you don't have access to soap and water, use Wet Ones hand wipes. Carry them with you because they will kill 99.99% of germs, and they're hypoallergenic and they have aloe, so they don't dry out your hands like a hand sanitizer. And plus, they'll wipe away dirt and grime, so they don't just sanitize. And they come in all these sizes, so you can put them in your car or your purse or your backpack, so you can get the whole family involved and keep your family covered, germ-free with these hand wipes, and hopefully have a really healthy holiday season.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much. Yeah, a great product to keep on the go with you, especially during this time of the year. My mother's a nurse, so I hear wash your hands all the time, and it is one of the best things, like you said, that you can certainly do. Any one website you want to send us to learn more about these products that you talked about?
You can go to my website, kerimd.com.
Perfect. Thank you so much. If you want